In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple copy and paste method that will allow you to massively increase how many leads and sales you generate online as an affiliate marketer. This is something that literally anyone can do with just a few simple clicks of a button. If you're someone who is new to affiliate marketing and you've been struggling to generate sales online, or you're someone who is ready to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level, then do me a favor and make sure you stick around and watch this entire video so that you don't miss out on any important information. And also, if you're hyped and ready to learn, then do me a favor and smash that like button, and let's get ready to get this thing started. Alright guys, so first thing first, for those of you who don't have a product or you're looking for something to promote, I like my go-to place for you guys is Warrior Plus. This is a place where you can find tons of digital products that you can promote online, and you can get access to this for free. Okay, so all you need to do is just go ahead and click here where it says sign up for free. And once you do that, you'll see a little screen like this, which shows you a lot of the top products that have been promoting up to the last 30 days. But if you want a little bit more information on these products, you can go ahead and click on affiliate and then go ahead and click on offers. And here you can see all the different offers, and you can see the release date, you can see how many sales they have, you can see the conversion rates, visitor value, average sales value, okay, refund rates. And you just go through and you can go ahead and pick one. Now, typically with this site, I don't tell anybody a particular product to promote just because they rotate so often. And depending on when you see this video, if you see this a month from now, the products are going to be completely different. So what I say is just find one that has a good amount of sales, good conversion rates, and low refund rates, and you should be good to go. So for the purposes of this, we're just going to go ahead and click on this very first product. Okay, and what you want to do is right here. Now I've already requested access, but you'll have, in order to get your affiliate link for the product, you have to request access. So you just click on this little button right here, and a little pop-up will come up right here, and you can just request access. For those of you who may have issues requesting access, there will be a link to a document that will give you some templates that'll give you a higher chance of getting approved for the products. And once you become approved, all you got to do is just take your affiliate link and copy it to a notepad and save it for later. All right, so with that out of the way, we can go ahead and move on. And for today, we're going to be talking about $10 solo ads. For those of you who don't know what solo ads are, basically these are people who have large email lists in a particular niche or field. So how this works is you give them your affiliate link, and the people who run these solo ads will promote your affiliate link to their email subscribers. Okay, and this is a really great way to get your affiliate product in front of thousands of people. And the people who run these solos do the work for you. They write the ad copy, they do the promoting, and they get you the sales. Okay, and what I like about this website is it's an inexpensive website with good quality traffic. Okay, so this is great for beginners who want to dip their toes into solo ads but don't want to spend a lot of money. And like I said, they do all of the work for you. Now, $10 solo ads, they specialize in business opportunities, work from home, make money online, stuff like that. Okay, so this website is perfect for us and what we will be doing today. All right, so you'll see this screen when you first sign up right here. Okay, and the $10 is about 1,000 leads per month. All right, but if you sign up using, I'll leave a link down below, and if you sign up using that link, you'll get 100% leads added, so that'll be 2,000 a month instead of 1,000. Okay, and there will also be a bonus way for you to get an extra 500 leads on top of that 2,000. So what will happen is, once you create an account, your account manager will send you a message asking you how you found out about this website. All you need to do is just let them know Tay Wilkins from YouTube recommended this site to you, and they will give you an extra 500 leads on top of the 2,000 that you'll be getting when you claim this offer right here. Okay, so once you do that, you'll see a dashboard that looks like this, and it's broken down into 4 steps. Okay, so for those of you who have no experience when it comes to writing copy, like writing emails or like creating headlines and messages and stuff like that, you can have them do it for you. So step 1, all you got to do is request add writing. Okay, and you'll see this little form pop up. So just put in your name, your email address, and what you want to do right here is put in your affiliate link. Okay, so we'll go ahead. Let me see. Nope, that wasn't it. Okay. So I'll just put in the one that I typically use. Okay, and you can go ahead and leave this blank, because they're going to fill this in for you. They're going to create your subject line, and they're going to create your ad body. Okay, then all you have to do is put in the little verification code, and once you've done that, all you got to do is hit send request to copywriters. Okay, now I'll pop it up on the screen. You'll see this email. Okay, and this email is going to let you know that it's ready, and what they're going to do is they're going to attach a file for you. What you do is open that file. Okay, and then what you do next is come to step 2, and in step 2, right, you'll see this right here, submit ad. Now I have 2 because I actually have 2 campaigns running with them, but when you first sign up, you'll only have 1, and if you want to run more than 1, you'll have to request access for more. Okay, but you'll see just a 1 here, just one of these here. You just click on it. Okay, and you're going to see a screen like this. Like I said, I already have 1 running. So what you do is, you in that email, when they give you that attachment, right, they're going to give you a headline and they're going to give you the body. So what you want to do is copy that headline that they gave you, and you want to put it here. Okay, but one thing that you want to do is right here, is because it is going to an email list, you can address the person by their first name in their email. And the way you do it is by adding these little brackets. And inside the brackets, you want to put first name in all caps. Okay, and this will address that person by their name. So when they open it, it'll be an exclusive opportunity, Timothy, to earn up to $2,000 without recruiting a single person, and they'll actually see their name. Okay, and you can do the same thing. Now, usually when they write their copy, they'll have dear recipient. You just replace it with first name, just like up here, right here again, the same exact way. Okay, and then you just go ahead and take your body, the rest of your body, and you paste it in. Now, something that won't be here is this, your call to action. Okay, so what I like to do is add a call to action. So like this, it'll be click here to take our free tour, secure your position. Okay, you can go ahead and take that same call to action, and what you want to do next, if you do add a call to action, if you want to click on this add link right here. Okay, and then this little pop-up is going to pop up, and what you want to do is put your affiliate link in this little spot right here. Okay, and then hit submit. And what this will do is this will hide your affiliate link in the text. Okay, you want to do this because when you put a raw affiliate link in an email, it usually gets sent to spam. Okay, so the best thing to do to stop it from going to spam is to hide it in some text, and the best thing to do is to add a call to action, just like that. Okay, now you can also put your solo link here, or your affiliate link right here. Okay, so the next thing you do is you choose the day that you want them to post your ad. Now, I usually choose the same day that I get the email with the ad copy. Okay, so once I get that email, I go ahead and paste it right in, and I set it for that same day, so it'll go out right away. Okay, now ad targeting. Okay, here you've got 3 categories. Okay, so this particular product that I'm promoting is a health and wellness based product that has a business opportunity attached to it. So I chose weight loss and fitness, business opportunity, and make money online. Okay, you choose up to 3. All right. So you could do work from home, make money online, business opportunity. You could do side hustle, make money online, business opportunity, things like that. Okay. And you can click on this little button right here to get a whole list of categories that you can choose from. All right. Next is geo-targeting. Now, they recommend USA, Canada, and Europe. So that's what I put. USA, Canada, and Europe. These are websites that, these are countries, that have money. Basically, what it means is that these are people who are willing to spend. Okay. So we definitely want to make sure that we have these places. And since it's recommended, like I said, I just did that. Okay. Now, once you have all this information filled out, all you got to do is hit schedule ad, solo ad, and you're good to go. All right. And then if you come back to the dashboard, they have step 3, choose targeting. We already did that here, so you don't have to do it again. And then once your campaign is done or live, you'll get tracking. Okay. And tracking looks like this, where you can see all your leads coming in, and you can see like where they're coming from, the devices that they're using, what operating system you're using, browser clicks, where browsers coming from. You just see all sorts of information about where your clicks are coming from, so that you can actually see that these clicks are authentic. Okay. So that's all there is to it, guys. It's a site where most of the work is done for you. All you need is your affiliate link. You bring it over to this site, okay, and they take care of the rest. But let's go back and see. Let's go ahead and log back out real quick, just so I can show you the last part of this. And this is the pricing. Okay, so they have 3 tiers. You have $10 a month, where you get if you click on that bonus offer, you get $2,000 a month. Okay, and like I showed you, you get the real-time tracking and all that stuff. And this is just $10 a month for the $2,000. You can also do weekly, so it'll be $10 per week. And how many leads you get, it massively increases. So $3,000 a week and $12,000 a month. Okay, so this will be about $40 per month to get this. Okay, or you can get even more. You can do $20 per week and get 6,000 leads a week, or 24,000 leads per month. Okay, so totally up to you. So if you would just want to test it and get your toes wet, you can go ahead and do the $10 per month. And if you like the results you're getting, you can go ahead and take it up a notch. All right, totally up to you. But guys, this is easy. This is probably one of the quickest ways to get leads and sales in your affiliate marketing business, without having to create videos, post on social media, or spend a whole bunch of money to do it. You got a website right here that does all of it for you. Okay, all you gotta do is just follow the steps and you're good to go. All right. So with that being said, guys, this video is done. If you found it useful, do me a favor, hit that like button and leave a comment down below to let me know you liked it. Or you can leave a comment if you have any more questions about this website or affiliate marketing in general. Also, there will be a link down in the description below for my #1 affiliate program that I personally promote, that I use with this. As you can see, as you've seen earlier, I have 2 campaigns that I have running. Okay, so you can see with the link down below the affiliate program that I am personally using, that I'm making money with, and that I'm using this program with. All right, so with that being said, guys, this video is done. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.